Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is 3D printing. Three-dimensional printing is a manufacturing process that creates physical objects from digital designs by layering materials such as plastic, metals and ceramics. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures and they cannot be produced through traditional manufacturing methods. Benefits of 3D printing: rapid prototyping, quickly test and iterates of designs, increase complexity, create complex geometries and structures, customization, produce tailored products for individual needs, reduce material waste, additive products, minimize excess material, improve productivity, automate production and reduce labor costs, enhance innovation, enable new product designs and business models. 3D printing application: light space, aerospace, lightweight components, aircraft parts, automotive car parts, prototypes and tools, healthcare custom implant, prosthetic surgical models, consumer product, phone calls, cases, jewelry, household items, industrial machine parts, tools, production aids, art and architecture, complex sculptures, building models, 3D printing technologies, fused explosion modeling FDM, stereolithography, selective laser sintering, binder jetting, directed energy deposition, laminated object manufacturing, challenges and limitation. Material properties, limited material options and properties, scalability, large scale production speed, cost, high equipment material cost, post processing, additional processing speed required, standardization, and lack of industry standards, intellectual property, protecting digital designs. The future of 3D printing hold much promise with advancement in technologies, materials and application expected to drive growth and innovation. 3D printing materials: plastics, ABA, PLA, PTG, metals, aluminium, steel, titanium, ceramic, glass, carbon fiber, wood-based materials, bioplastic, conductive materials. The software which are used in 3D printing are computer-aided design (CAD), slicing software Cora Slicer, 3D modeling software Blender Tinkercad, printer control software Octopoint and Rapid. 3D printing applications in education: STEM education, art and design classes, architecture and engineering programs, medical and dental educations, research and innovations. 3D printing in healthcare, custom prosthetics and implants, surgical models and planning, personalized medicine and pharmaceuticals, medical device development, tissue engineering and bioprinting. 3D printing in space exploration, spacecraft parts, in space manufacturing, satellite components, spacecraft parts, astronaut tools and equipment, planetary colonization, manufacturing in space, component of satellites, parts of spacecraft. Tools which are used in 3D printing are increased adoption in industries, advancement in material and technologies, growing demand for a sustainable and eco-friendly material, expansion of 3D printing in education and research, development of new business models and services. These are the just few examples of the many exciting developments and applications in the field of 3D printing. As the technology continues to evolve, we can see even more innovative uses and advancement in future of 3D printing. The future of 3D printing hold as much as promise with advancement in technologies, materials and applications expected to drive growth and innovations. Thank you.